Yeah.
Hello. Today I will be teaching you all how to eat, yes, a Bo-Tan rice candy. Bo-Tan rice candy. Now from the title you may think that it's a bow that is tan, but no, it's actually this rice candy. Check it out. It's truly a beauty. Now there are two ways to eat this candy, and I'll show you both ways, and you can choose which way to eat it. Way number 1. There's this rice paper kind of thing on the outer side. The first way to do it is just eat that before you eat the candy. I mean, it's like eating the wrapper before you eat the candy, even though you don't normally eat the wrapper. And then after you eat the rice paper, you just plop this baby in your mouth. And there you have it. Way number 2. Once again, we open the plastic wrapper. Make sure you do not eat the plastic wrapper. And just as a whole, with the rice paper on top of it, you just plop this baby in your mouth. And once again, there you have it. Make sure you throw your trash away. Deuces.